Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and it is Valentine's Day season, so everything is pink and red and heart-shaped, and I love it so much because I love the aesthetics of this holiday. I really don't care so much about the holiday, but I love all the aesthetics of it, and I think it's so cute. So I thought I would bring you a very soft, glam Valentine's Day look that's very pink and very red, the best colors for this holiday. So I decided to actually match my eyeliner to my lipstick, which is something I want to do because I wanted to add a little bit of edge to this because, you know, you just can't be boring on this channel. So I hope you guys like this look, and if you do, please keep watching.
So I already have my foundation on and my brows, and let's get going. I'm going to go in with a light, very pastel-y pink eyeshadow, one that's very faint. You're going to lightly apply this around the crease. You want to really make sure it's just lightly on, kind of airy. You just want a little touch of pink on your eyelid. Then we're going to go in with the Too Faced Funfetti palette, which is covered in heart sprinkles and so cute. And we're going to go into the title shade Funfetti, which is this beautiful sparkly pink shadow, and you're going to start packing this all over your lid, really making that pink pop and super shimmery. And you're also going to run this on the outer corner of your eye just to have it match the top part. Nothing too crazy there, just a little bit matching. Then I'm taking the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Ballet Baby, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid for extra pink sparkle because, you know, I cannot live without the sparkles and without the pink, especially on Valentine's Day. Now I'm taking a red metallic lipstick, and I'm actually going to be using this as my eyeliner. So I'm just going in with a brush, and I'm just doing a very thick cat eye because I actually want this to be the main focus of the look because I just really love red eyeliner, and not a lot of people do it, so I think it's super cute. And I'm also just going to run a little bit on my lower lash line as well, just to connect it to the top, so just use a red liner there, so red is everywhere. Now we're going to go and apply some mascara to your upper and your lower lashes, just really coat it on, you know, not too much to worry about there. And then apply your favorite pair of false lashes. You can either do a really dramatic pair or a very soft pair, whatever you feel like. I went softer so you could really see that red liner. Now I'm going in with a light pink highlighter, and I'm going to start applying this to the brow bone and to the inner corner of my eye. I just really want to make sure that I am glowing everywhere because it's just a super cute look, and I just love this highlighter. Now I'm going in with a cool tone contouring shade. I'm just going to do a little bit of contouring on my cheekbones. You don't want to go too heavy-handed because, again, this is a very soft look, so we're not doing anything too sharp. But I just want a little bit of contour there because I just like how it looks. And then I'm also going to be contouring my mouth because I want it to look extra pouty. So I'm going to put a little bit on my lower lip and then a little bit in my cupid's bow. And this will just make your looks look super cute, kissable. Now I'm taking this really cute heart-shaped blush from Too Faced, and I'm going to apply a lot of the pink on my cheeks. I'm going so heavy-handed with this blush because this is the perfect time of the year to do it. Really cover your cheeks, make it super cute and blushy, and don't forget the tip of your nose and your chin to be extra cute. I just love blush. Blush is so cute. And then I'm just going back in with that pink highlighter from before, and I'm just going to apply it with my finger. This is the new NYX I Love You Mochi palette, and I just feel like it applies better with your finger than with a brush. So I'm applying to my high points of my cheeks, to my cupid's bow, and the tip of my nose, because that's all the spots you need to glow in. Now I'm going back into that red lipstick that we use as eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply it to the lips, and I'm kind of making my lips kind of looking heart-shaped by focusing it thicker in the middle, and then on the outer corners thinner, and just making my little lower lip a little bit poutier.
And this is the completed look, and you look like a total sweetheart. I literally feel so adorable and cute with this makeup on and this little outfit. I paired it with a little pink beret and my little dress that's a heart cutout. I love it. I'm feeling this pink and red Valentine fantasy so much, and I cannot wait to wear it out. I feel like a little glowing sweetheart. I love it. Thank you guys for watching so much, and thank you guys again for being patient while I took this time to kind of work on my mental health. And I know I was gone, but I am back, and I'm going to be doing more videos again, so please comment down below what you want to see because I'm feeling good. I would like to thank you again so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that would just be so lovely of you. I hope you guys stay lovely. Bye!